All right, this is our last example, and our last example is our most difficult example. We are going to have a motorcycle. Please ignore the fact that the motorcycle race is a 650 miles, but she drives her motorcycle at 5 meters per second. So we're just going to ignore the time, the distance, the measure of distance, and pretend that both the m's are the same just for the sake of our sanity. We have a distance, rate, and time problem. We have got two people, Tom and Jenna, and we have a lot going on in this problem. So one lap of this motorcycle race is 650 miles. They are both going to travel this lap. Jenna sets off 4 seconds after Tom does. We're going to take care of that in a minute. But she drives her motorcycle 5 meters per second faster and finishes the lap 2.5. So 5 meters per second faster. So that means that Tom's rate is going to be x, and Gina's rate is going to be x plus 5. So we're going to find the times by doing the same thing that we've done before. And here's where it gets a little trippy. So Jenna sets off 4 seconds later than Tom. So she is going to get a plus 4 down here because she sets off 4 seconds later than Tom. Then she also finishes the lap 2.5 seconds sooner than he does. So because her time is 2.5 seconds less, when we set them equal to each other, we need to do the 2.5 less with Tom to get the whole thing put together. So that helps it be so that we can set them equal to each other. She finishes early, she leaves late. That's going to be our equation that we're putting together. So we're going to do 650x minus 2.5 is equal to 650 over x plus 5 plus 4. And that's what we're going to have there. Now, we want to get like terms, everything, we want to get like terms together. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2.5 to both sides. So then I'm going to have 650. Oh, let's not do it that way. We want everything on the same side. It's going to be much easier to solve it that way because of we should be fine. Never mind. Ignore me. I'm just babbling. It's fine. So I'm going to add 2.5 to both sides. So on my left side, I'm going to get 650 over x is equal to 650 over x plus 5 plus 6.5. Make sure I have a calculator nice and handy here. So, yeah, this is fine. And then I'm going to minus, I do want everything on the same side. Oh, Miss Stone, you're confusing. So I'm going to minus 650 over x. So we have everything all together, so we're not losing track of what we're doing. So that's going to give us 650 over x plus 5 plus 6.5 minus 650 over x is equal to 0. So then I have my least common denominator of x times x plus 5. Our excluded values don't matter because you can't go 0 and you can't go negative 5. So I'm going to multiply the first fraction by x. I'm going to multiply the second fraction by x squared plus 5x. Or that's not a fraction. I can make it a fraction. Then I'm going to multiply the last fraction by x plus 5. So I end up with 650x plus 6.5x squared plus, throw out my calculator, 6.5 times 5, 11.5x minus 650x. And 650 times 5 is minus, because remember we're distributing this, so this and this gets the minus, so minus 3250 equals 0. So we're going to combine our like terms. Well, that one cancels with that one, so that's nice. So I get 6.5x squared plus 11.5x minus 3250 is equal to 0. Well, I'm going to divide everything by 6.5, including the 0, because that's going to make everything way nicer to work with. So I get x squared. Oh, what did I do wrong? I did 6 plus 5. That makes more sense. This guy is not that. Sorry, guys. You know me. You know how I do this. 32.5x. So 32.5 divides by 6.5. That makes more sense. That's 5. And then minus 500 is equal to 0. Because 0 divided by 6.5 is 0. So that is big numbers, and I don't have it solved off the top of my head, so I'm going to use quadratic formula for this. So 5 squared minus b squared minus 4 times a times c is equal to, we're going to hope this is a good number. Bear with me a minute. I haven't worked this one out yet. So, 2025. And the square root of 2025 is 45. Nice. So, opposite of b, plus or minus 45 over 2a. Well, I'm not going to do the minus 45 because negative 5 minus 45 will give us a negative result, and that's not helpful. So I get 40 divided by 2, which is 20. So find their speeds. Well, Tom is x, so Tom goes 20 miles per hour, which means Jenna is going 5 faster, 25. I know she's not going 5 miles per second, but we're just going to call it miles per hour and leave it like that. It could probably be meters. I'm going to leave it like that, and there you go. That's the last example.